What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play Blinding Lights by The Weeknd on the good old uke. As always with every ukulele tutorial that I upload here on YouTube, I will include a skip to section right here. You can skip to either the chords, the chord progression, or the strumming for this song if you don't want to sit through the entire 10-minute video. I don't blame you, but if you want to sit through the entire video, I'd love you forever. But again, skip to section will be your best friend. Skip to whatever section in the video that you want. Also, what I do want to note is that I will be uploading a full play along for this song, which is me strumming and singing at the same time. And that also has the lyrics and chords on screen, so it's super easy to see when to change chords. So that should be up in a couple days. Also, what I do want to note again is I will have the entire chord sheet for you to copy and paste and save it on your laptop, computer, phone, wherever. That will be in the description below, so make sure to check that. That is my gift to you. But with all that said and done, let's go ahead and learn what chords we need for this song. So this song has 4 simple chords, and those chords are A minor, C, D minor, and G. So if you're like, Ricky, I know all those chords, let's move on to the chord progression or the strumming. Again, skip to section, I'll put it right here. You can skip to whatever section in the video that you want. But if you're like, Ricky, I just started playing a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago. Literally, I just picked up uke right now and I went onto YouTube and saw your video. Help me, please. Don't worry, I got your back. We're gonna go step by step on where to put our fingers on the uke for each chord, and then we'll talk about chord progression and then strumming. So if you wanna learn each chord and where to put your fingers, then just keep on watching. But before we talk about the chords, let's quickly talk about how we number the strings and the frets. So let's go pick up our uke, and the top string is gonna be the 4th string. The next one down is gonna be the 3rd. The next one down is gonna be the 2nd, and the last one at the bottom, that's gonna be the 1st string. So it's gonna be 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's go ahead and look at our fretboard, and as you can see on here, you have these lines. So this is going to be the 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, and then so on. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then so on. So this star right here, that's going to be the 5th fret. So that's kind of like a marker for you. So you might have markers on your fretboard as well. So make sure to take a look and see if you have any markers. It's usually on the 5th and 7th, but again, they might be different. So make sure you feel comfortable with the numbering of the strings and the frets. And again, if you do need a little bit more time, make sure to press the pause button right now. Take a look at your uke and be like, all right, I got the strings down, I got the frets down, we're good to go. Press play, and now let's figure out how we're gonna play each chord with our fingers coming up next. Alright, so let's learn these 4 chords. As always, I will include a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers on the uke. I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see and then also have me talk you through it. So, the first chord that we need is the A minor chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place it on the 4th string, which again, that's the top string, 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the C chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place it on the 1st string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the D minor chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place it on the 2nd string, 1st fret. And then how I like to do this one is I like to take my middle finger and I like to go over the top 2 strings, which is the 4th and 3rd string on the 2nd fret. Some other people might tell you to do put your middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and then your ring finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. So they will basically sound the same, but for me, I just feel comfortable putting my middle finger over the top 2. But again, if you feel comfortable having your fingers back to back on the 2nd fret, then go ahead and do that. But once you do that, it should sound like this. And the last chord that we need for this song is the G chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. So those are all the chords that you need for this song. Again, if you do need a little bit more time, make sure to press the pause button right now. Get really comfortable and familiar with the finger positioning for each chord, and also making sure that they have crisp and clear sound. And once you have that down, then press play, and now let's talk about the chord progression that we're going to use for this song coming up next. Alright, so we just learned the chords. Now let's talk about the chord progression that we're going to use for this song, which is super simple because once you have it down, you have the entire song down. So let's talk about it right now. The chord progression for this song is going to be D minor, then A minor, then C, and then G. So let's do that one more time. D minor, A minor, C, and then G. So that is the entire chord progression for this song. So once you have that memorized, you have the entire song on lock. So now that we have that down, let's talk about the strumming coming up next. Alright, so we talked about the chords and we talked about the chord progression. Now let's talk about how we actually play this song. So one thing I do want to note, if you're a true beginner and you just started and you don't feel comfortable strumming it just yet, I highly recommend that you just do down strums. So it can just sound like this. So down strumming will sound just as awesome. So again, if you just don't feel comfortable just yet, if you're not at that level to include strumming into your uke playing, highly recommend just to strum down. Again, the entire chord sheet will be in the description for you. You can copy and paste it and keep it for yourself. And the chords are going to be right above the lyrics that you need to change. So you'll see the lyrics and you'll see the chord right above it, and that's going to tell you when to change chords. So it's super simple, super easy, super beginner friendly. So let's talk about the strumming that we need for this song. I'm going to start off with the D minor chord, and it's going to be down, down, up, down, up. So you're going to do that strumming pattern twice for each chord. So let's play it how it actually sound. We're going to start off with D minor, then we're going to go to A minor, C, and then G. So we're going to do that strumming pattern twice. In 3, 2, 1. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. So again, let's just talk about that one strumming. It's just going to be down, down, up, down, up. And again, you're going to do that strumming pattern twice for every chord. So when you do it twice, it's going to sound like this. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, and then you change chord. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. So I'm sure you get the pattern now. So you do that strumming pattern down, down, up, down, up twice for every chord. And again, chord sheet will be in the description so you can see when you need to change chords. And that is it. That is pretty much the entire song. You have it now completely down. Congratulations. You now know how to play Blinding Lights by The Weeknd on the good old uke. If you did like this video, I'm rolling over to the side. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. If you haven't already, if you have already, I love you so much. Welcome to the fam, or you've been in the fam for a while. I don't know what I'm talking about, but again, thank you so much. We just reached 34,000 subscribers on this channel, so thank you so much for 34,000 freaking subscribers. I can't believe it. Also, a huge shout out to Enya for making amazing ukes. This is their concert Enya ukulele, and it is absolutely amazing. I love the color of this and the details on the fretboard with the stars and the sound hole. The color is absolutely what made me get this uke and actually get it. So this uke, really good, really affordable as well. So if you want to get this uke, I will put a link in the description below and we can be uke twins. I highly recommend this one. You know that if you watch any of my actual ukulele reviews, I usually change out the strings pretty close to when buying it. I usually like to test it out, and I'm very picky with my ukulele strings. I usually put D'Addario strings on every uke that I have because D'Addario is my go-to, my It's my homie. I love it. The Dario strings are the best. But I actually kept these strings that came with the Enya uke. So absolutely amazing. And that says a lot. So highly recommend this uke. The color is amazing. The sound is amazing. The price is also amazing. So again, if you want to be uke twins, make sure to check the link in the description and you can get yourself one of these beauties. Also, thank you so much for watching this video. I love hanging out with you guys for these 10-15 minutes and just learning music and just relaxing, have a good time, and just, you know, using our brain for the greater good of music. So thank you so much for hanging out with me, and again, being a subscriber and joining this crazy, crazy YouTube family of 34,000 subscribers. This family is 34,000 big. I don't know. Our ancestor tree is huge. Our tree is gigantic. It's growing. So thank you again so much. And maybe, fingers crossed, maybe we'll get to 100,000 this year. I don't know. That's like a huge number. But if we do, I don't even know what I would do. I'd bake 100,000 cakes or something. I don't know. Cookies, muffins. I don't know. But if we do reach it in this year, I would be absolutely amazed. So if you do want to help out, make sure to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Also, share it to your friends, share it to the community that you think will like this, share it to your the Weeknd fans. I don't know. Maybe share it to the Weeknd. Maybe he'll see it. I don't know. But again, I'm blabbing on. Thank you so much. Again, if you want this uke, link in the description. And again, I love you. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.